Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel, Latina Plants. My name is Jackie. Today we're doing a shop with me at Home Depot. This is a different location. This is one of the locations that I like to go to. It's close to my mom's house. And yeah, this is what they have on this table so far. They have some parlor palms, some sansevierias, some pink princess philodendrons, some ficus fiddle-leaf figs, some beautiful aglaonemas and peace lilies. And then here, just penning looking at the floor plants that they have available in this store. They have some beautiful large bird of paradise plants. And then on this cart, they had some Dracaenias as well as Dieffenbachias and aglaonemas. These are some light, nice floor plants. The ZZs are going for $26.98. And then here they have a bunch of hanging baskets. They had some beautiful, huge pots. And here I'm showing you the elf lipstick plant, the red elf lipstick plant. This plant was easy to care for me. I definitely recommend lipstick plants if you're on the market for some new beautiful trailing plants. And then over here they had some lucky bamboos and bromeliads, some bonsais in the front of this table. And here they had these terrariums for $79.98. These are not included in the 50% off proven winners, but I believe that the smaller terrariums are. And the smaller terrariums are $29.98, so 50% off of that. As you can see there, that sign said that the large ones are not included in the sale. And then here they had this cart of proven winners. Leaf Joy line. Again, these are all 50% off, so instead of the $20, they're going to be 10. And that was the Philodendron Ring of Fire. Over here, they had some Wick and Grow plants. This beautiful begonia here from Costa Farms. And I believe these pots go for $9.98. I'm going to double check the price here for you. Yes, it goes for $9.98. Beautiful Rex begonia. And they also had some ivies in those pots as well as crotons. Down here, I spotted some of the Costa Farms Wick and Grow plants, and this one is an Epischia. They're calling it a flame violet, and they go for $5.98. They also had some ivies in there, and jades, and a bunch of different ferns, and dracaenias mixed in there. Here they have some begonias, and I believe these also go for $9.98. I just had to show you these leaves. They're so beautiful. Obviously needs a little cleanup, but she's in good condition. And it's in a 5-inch pot. Nice size. There's some more begonias, but they look like they've been there forever and haven't been well cared for. And I wanted to show you what was down below. They had some peperomia varieties and some more ferns. And here they have some beautiful orchids for $14.88 on sale from $19.98. Here are a lot of the proven winner Leaf Joy lines, water globes or water bowls. I was trying to look and see if they had anything different or anything new. in this location, and I did find that they brought in some new fresh Hoyas. Here we're looking at the anthuriums and orchids that they have, and up top were some of the proven winner Leaf Joy line Hoyas. This one is the Freckled Splash. Again, these are 50% off of the $5.98. Definitely a good time to grab a bunch of them. This one is the Hoya Fitchii, which is being called Teacup Anemone. And here is a peperomia. They're calling it salt and pepper. Beautiful variegated peperomia. And here is a Senecio. And they had some more of the Hoyas and peperomias on the top here. And then I spotted this philodendron white wizard. Again, this would be 50% off. Good time to pick up some of these more rare like plants. This one had a little bit of damage, which is a shame because that was a beautiful leaf. They also had this Hoya here. I believe this is the Hoya Sabah, also part of the 50% off. And it looks like they had 3 pots of those available at this location. And then I wanted to take a look at this white knight or white wizard. Beautiful variegation on all these leaves. It's a shame she's a little damaged, but I think she can be brought back, especially because it's 50% off. I just don't really like the growth habit of philodendrons, so I don't add them to my collection. Here they had some more plants on the bottom. Then I found this cart here that has a lot of the pothos or epipremnum pinatum marble, albo marble. I think it's what they're calling it. And they go for $19.98. They're calling it the epipermanum albo. I also found this Scandaliana. They had some Aglionemas as well. Lots and lots of beautiful plants here from Costa Farms. And this white wizard has some huge leaves. I just had to show you guys. And they are calling it, or sorry, the white knight. The other one was the white wizard, I guess, with the more variegation and thinner leaves or smaller leaves. Down below, I found some Manjula pothos for $9.98 in the Wick and Grow pots. They had a couple of those available. And then down here, it looks like they've already been picked through. Not a whole lot to see there. I hope you guys enjoyed this shop with me. Please make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and click on that bell to get notified every time I upload a video. And I'll check you guys out on my next one. Bye.